Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is Affiliate Marketing in Nigeria YouTube channel. I welcome you guys to my review of today. And if today is your first time of visiting Affiliate Marketing in Nigeria YouTube channel, guys, you are highly welcome. I welcome you once again. So in today's review, I'll be walking you through, showing you features of Bluehost, reasons why you should use Bluehost, or is Bluehost really recommendable for your business or not. So guys, I welcome you to my Bluehost review. You see, Bluehost is one of the most popular web hosting company in the world. Bluehost has been for years, as you know about it, has been for years, and it has not changed from its quality, from its reliability, and the capacity of what this hosting company offer the users. And that is why I fall in love with Bluehost and feel like making review for my audience, so that you can know the power and authenticity of this web hosting company. So guys, once again, I welcome you to my Bluehost review. And as you can see, that Bluehost is also recommended by WordPress. If you look at WordPress recommended Bluehost, telling you that Bluehost is a reliable web hosting company. It's recommended, and it has good features, wonderful features that can carry your business, that can handle the capacity of your business. So today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the features on Bluehost. All the features on Bluehost, I'm going to walk you through them. So I am sure you are going to enjoy this review. So guys, meanwhile, if you have not subscribed to my channel, Affiliate Marketing in Nigeria YouTube channel, please guys, hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell to all, so once we upload a new video, YouTube will get to notify you. So before we proceed, there is a link at the description down below. That link, when you click on that link, is going to bring you to this particular website, this Bluehost website. It's because I click on that link, that is why I am here. So once you click on that link at the description down below, it's going to bring you to this website, Bluehost website. And the amazing thing of using the link at the description down below is that once you click on that link, it's going to bring you here, and whatever you purchase on Bluehost, let's say for instance you purchase whatever you're going to purchase, you're going to get 60% discount. This is what I mean. You are getting a free domain for 1 year once you use the link. And not just that, you are getting free SSL certificate for 1 good year. You are not paying for it. And your hosting as well, you are getting 60% discount for your hosting once you use the link at the description down below. So I encourage you to use the link so that you can grab my discount. So guys, let's dive into the review of Bluehost today. So what I'm going to do is to walk you through the features of Bluehost. Now once you have clicked on that link, you are going to come down to this home page of Bluehost, and once you come to this home page, you're going to see the features of Bluehost, the features that this website has for the users. Let me zoom it so that you can take a look at it very well. Let me zoom it. You see, once you click on that link, you're going to come down to this place. I'm going to see that a starting package, you are going to start that at per month you'll be paying $2.95 per month as your hosting. Is that not amazing? That such a big hosting company like this, you can still host your file, your website, your blog for just $2.95 per month. This is really amazing. It's so great. There is no hosting company or hosting provider that can provide this for you, but Bluehost provide it because you use the affiliate, you use the link at the description down below, because you're getting a discount. So guys, let me walk you through the features of Bluehost. You see, Bluehost is such a wonderful hosting company that every business owner, every blog, every website owner should use. Reason is that you don't want to build your business on a hosting company that is not reliable, on a hosting company that a little time your site will go down, a little time your site will go down. You don't want something like that. That is why I recommend that you use Bluehost. So guys, as you can see that they have WordPress, they have hosting, they have domains, they have website and stores, they have professional services. If you want them to handle professional services for you or for your company or for your corporation or for your business, Bluehost can handle that. They have also resources that can also help you in your business. As you're hosting with them, as you're building your website with them, they have resources that can help you. They have chat, live chat, they have call and all of that. So let's go in one after the other. Let's look at the WordPress. You see, as I've clicked on the WordPress, you can see that it opened to us. It shows website builder. This is just new. Bluehost just launched this new on the website. As you can see, it is just new website builder. And not just that, you can build website using the website builder. You are going to host everything on the website builder, and that website builder is going to handle everything for you. And not just that, again, you see WordPress hosting. WordPress hosting, you're going to host your WordPress, you're going to host your blog, your website on WordPress through the assistance of Bluehost once you purchase from them. And not just that, you see manage WordPress, e-commerce and the rest of them. Then we now go to hosting. You're going to see share hosting, you're going to see dedicated hosting, you're going to see VPS hosting. You see, share hosting is what business owners use. Assume you are now a small business owner, you're a blogger, you're a website owner and whatever. This share hosting is what you should use. That is what you should, because with share hosting, you can build about 5 unlimited websites. You can build unlimited website just with share hosting. You can build and host unlimited website. Dedicated hosting is meant for big companies. That's dedicated hosting, VPS hosting. They are meant for big companies, big organization that has money. But if you're a small business owner, you're a blogger, or you want to host your blog or your website, I advise you to go with the share hosting. That is $2.95 per month. Then the next is domain. Like I told you, once you use the link at the description down below, you are getting a free domain from Bluehost for good 1 year. You are getting a free domain of your choice, not even just any out domain, a domain of your choice. So you are getting it from Bluehost for 1 year once you purchase it from Bluehost using the link at the description down below. So as you can see that you are getting free domain for free. You are not paying for it for complete 1 year. I think you love that. Yes, you love that. I'm sure you love that. So, and Bluehost is very, very reliable for you to build your blog or to build your website or to build your online store, to host your store and the rest of others. So as you can see that we are still on it. So we go to website and store. If you want to build your store, you want to have an online store, you want to be selling stuff from your online store, you can also host your blog, your store on Bluehost. Bluehost has all those features that can handle your business. Not just that, we also see professional services. We see professional services like services, Blue Sky, and the other. Now let's assume you have hosted your website, you have bought your domain, you have bought your hosting from Bluehost, and you don't have the technical knowledge to host or install your WordPress. You can simply contact Bluehost. They will install your WordPress, handle everything for you. And not just that, let's assume you don't have the knowledge about SEO. Bluehost can also handle all of that for you. I think you love this. I'm sure you love this. So you don't want to miss this. All these things are what Bluehost offer the users once you purchase from this web hosting company. And not just that, they have 24/7 live support. You can chat them at the dead of the night, even at the middle of the day. You can chat them up and they will respond to you. And not just that, you can also contact them through calls. You can give them a call that this is a challenge you're having on your website, on your blog, and they'll be able to assist you. The joy of hosting your website on any hosting company is that whenever you run to issue, or whenever your website or your blog run to issue, you can easily contact your web hosting company and they'll be able to assist. And that is what Bluehost can do for you. Anytime you call them, anytime you chat them at the depths of the night, Bluehost will attend to you. And I think this should be the major reason why anybody that wants to build a site, I want to start a business, that want to host his or her blog, should consider the live chat. The support is number one thing you should consider. And not just that, you also need to consider the reliability of that web hosting company. So guys, I'm going to show you more of this. So I click on the hosting. So we're going to share hosting. I'm going to show you more of their plans, more of their packages that you can actually go with, so that you can see the one that will be suitable for your business, because they have different plans. As you can see, let me zoom it so that you can see it very well. I've zoomed it. So as you can see, they have basic plan. This basic plan, which starts from $2.95 per month, you see it. And with this, you are going to have one website, 50 GB SSD storage, custom theme, 24/7 customer support, website builder available, WordPress migration, drag and drop functionality, or driving template. You see, not just that, also include free domain for 1 year, free CDN include, free SSS certificate. That is what you are getting from this web hosting company. So guys, I encourage you that you should look at these plans and know the one that you are going to go with. Not just that, they also have plus plan. Plus plan starts from $5.45 per month, which you have unlimited website, unlimited SSD storage, custom themes, 24 support from them, and free domain and free CDN include, free SSS certificate, and the rest of orders. You see choice plan, we start from $5.45 per month, and pro plan will start from $13.95 per month. You see that their plans are very, very cheap and affordable, and their website and the hosting company, and the hosting company Bluehost is also very reliable. So whenever you want to pick any plan, you need to do is select, you click on the package or the plan you want to go with. All you need to do, click on it. Then when you click on it, you select the plan you are going with. As you can see, I've clicked on the basic plan which I've selected. Then you're going to add your domain. What is your domain? You're going to add your domain. Let me say I put in 6 figure. So I put in 6 figure. bluehost.com. Then you click on next. It's going to take you to the next page. You click on next, it takes you to the next page where you are going to fill other informations about your business. So as you can see it, guys, is loading. As you can see, the domain sixfigure.com is available. The domain is available. So all you need to do right now, fill your details, your name. Let me show you how to do this. I zoom in, so let me show you how to do this. Your first name, put in your name, last name, business name. You can take anything. Business, let me take Bright Limited. Country, you take your country. If you have Nigeria, you take Nigeria. If you are United States, you take United States. If you are in Canada, you take Canada. If you're Australia, if in any country you are, pick your country. Take your country you want to host your website. So I'm looking for my country. Here's my country, Nigeria. I'm from Nigeria. Street address, just like that. Okay, phone number, yeah, email address, account plan, yes. No, I'm not going with 12 months. If you have a lot of forms, you can go with the 12 months, but if you don't have a lot of forms, you can go with per month. But I encourage that you go with the 12 months. That will be cheaper. So I go with the 12 months. Yeah, everything is for you. Then you put in your credit card number and all that. Once you have done that, you tick this box. There's a box here. You tick, then you submit. Once you have done that, it's going to submit. You see why they did not submit? Because this credit card number is required, which I've not filled. So guys, that is how you can go about this Bluehost. I'm sure you're able to learn something from this Bluehost review, how the website is reliable for you to build your business, your blog, your store, and how it will also help you, because you're going to build your website on a company that you have a rest of mind, you have a peace of mind. You're not going to worry about your site going down or your site going offline. So you are building your website or your blog on a reliable web hosting company. So guys, I encourage you to go with Bluehost. And what is the reason why I'm actually recommending Bluehost to you? Number one, Bluehost is reliable, and not just that, Bluehost is recommended by WordPress, and Bluehost is also, it has been on the business for years. So that is why I recommend Bluehost. I recommend it because you get value for your money. So guys, I'm sure this Bluehost review helped you on how this review actually helped you to discover that Bluehost is very reliable for your business, and also is very affordable, very cheap for any beginner to host his or her blog with Bluehost. So guys, if you have any question concerning this Bluehost review, feel free to drop it at the comment section down below, and I'll be so happy to respond to your comment. So once again guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, Affiliate Marketing in Nigeria YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on. So once you upload a new video, YouTube will get to notify you. So once again guys, see you next time, and love you guys.